Diversity 2, I'm going to be hacking this, well, restoring this recliner I found on the side of the road. I like picking up stuff. Say if I need a recliner, I don't just go out picking up stuff that I want to buy or purchase or need. If I see something that can be refurbished, restored, and I'm going to save money, I load it up in my truck. First thing I do is get out and examine it. Is it worth my time? Depends on how bad it is. Is the fabric damaged? But this particular recliner was in great shape. It was just busted. The seat, the frame under the seat was busted. So as I looked at it, I noticed that the frame had, the seat part of it had collapsed. And I turned it over and looked at it, and I thought, well, if I can get the frame restored or strengthened and pop back into place, this chair is going to be restored. And that's what I did. So traveling around sometimes, if I see something I want, I pull over, check it out, load it up, and it's coming home. And this is what I did with this chair, standby. And remember the project I did with the, I called it the Great Couch Hack I did back here on screen. I had some experience before the couch and after the couch. But this one, I had to disassemble this couch on one floor and get on the elevator, take it up, and reassemble this couch. And I had some, that gave me even more confident that this can be done. So when I cleaned this chair, I thought this is going to be more simple than this couch to restore. So here I have this recliner I found. I was going to buy one, but I found one, and I since great condition. So stand by. This is part 1, Diversity 2, restoring a recliner. You can see where it's leaning down here. It's like curving all the way down. So there's something going on underneath. So I'm going to flip it over and have a look at it. Something has detached, cracked, and just bursted. Probably one of the beams that are going across the bottom there. But other than that, it's in pretty good condition. You could cut away some of the lining here in the bottom. I'll probably just pull this off, staple it back later. So I can do surgery here. Just going to pull this back out the way. And the mechanical part of this is in good shape. This is the part I need to concentrate on. I need to lift it up here, then I'll get out. And I'm looking at some wood here. Also, I noticed as I examined it more, there's a spring here on this side, but not on this side, so it's missing. Connect some 2 points there. And to take the tension out the seat cushion there, I detached these hooks that were holding the spring for the seat. They go all the way across there. So that took the pressure off of the seat, and I can maneuver this piece of wood down to this location, to this wood here. I have a large crowbar here to help me maneuver this down, and the flathead screwdriver. Notice also in one of the corners here, this little brace is missing. So we're going to see if these will work in this place. And there are a lot of nails and tacks sticking out, so watch. Gotta be careful not to get scratched up. Let me see if I can get this hole. I notice, I can see where it goes. Okay, we just went from here on top of mechanical footrest, and now we have the beam under the mechanical footrest mechanism, and the hole is right there. So I'm going to take maneuver, try to get the dowel to go in. This one goes in the front hole. The dowel that's sticking out goes in the front hole there, right beneath that wood, and let's try that. Loosen those up. Okay, I'm going to attempt to pop this thing in here now. Okay, already. I got my dowel lined up there. Just going to put over to the hole. And as you can see, it just went in. Close that back up now. I just have my socket wrench extension and a small adapter with my Phillips bit in there. And this is going to allow me to get down in here. No problem. Nice and tight. Secure that. Now I'm going to try to get the screw where the other dowel is missing. Slide it back so I can see. I'm just going to apply pressure to it to get me inside the wood. I'm going to put a brace here that's missing. I found something in my jump pile. Okay, I got one more spring to go here. Got my program back there. And lift up. Okay. Last one. Nice set. Gotta bring it up. Got all the springs back on, and make sure all the nuts are tight. Loose one there. Everything looks good. So make sure there are no bugs and stuff.